Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Ghostek Rapture wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now you can buy these on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $125. Now these are available in 3 colors. You got black, brown, and red. Now these feature 40mm Graphene speakers. Now on a side note, I heard these live at CES, and let me tell y'all something. Graphene speakers, that's where it's at. Alright, so let's check these out. Ghostek Rapture wireless Bluetooth headphones, $125. Let's go through the features real quick. HD crystal clear sound. Bluetooth 4.1 technology, connection up to 30 feet, one-step easy pairing, connect up to 2 devices, and these are folding headphones. Alright, let's check out the rest of the features. Soft protein leather headband and ear cups. Folding hinge for storage, multifunctional buttons, get social. Use the share me function to share your vibes. Now these have an LED power and battery status level. Built-in HD mic for clear voice calls. You get a 3.5 audio jack for inline auxiliary cable. And these feature 40mm advanced graphene speaker drivers, pulsate crisp sound into your ears. All right, all of that for $125. Let's get into this. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got on deck today? Got the big boy. Shout out to the little unboxing knife. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. Look out, Zerks. Zerks, what are you doing? All right, hold up. Zerks, I don't want to give you a free haircut. Hold up, I'm struggling now. Rah! All of that for some dramatic effect. Is it worth it? Of course it is. Rah! All right. I know. Okay, here we go. Ghostek Raptures. Let's see what you get inside. Now here's your headphones. Now I got to talk about these in a second. Okay, you get a nice leatherish carrying case. Let me do the smell test on this. Smells nice and fresh. File that to the side. This is going to be your charging cable. Let's see, micro USB charging cable. And your 3.5mm auxiliary jack for when you want to connect these when the battery dies. Now here's the Ghostek Raptures. One thing you're going to notice about these, look at the ear cups. All right, no hole in the middle, just a soft piece of protein leather. And let me tell you something, when you put these on your head, they're going to feel nice and comfortable. Now, like I said, I was playing with these at CES and I was blown away. Okay, so on one side, we'll go through all the buttons in a second. I might have to check these out. Let's see, this looks like power button, volume up and down. All right, matter of fact, let me take it to the book real quick, make sure I'm getting these buttons right. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we're back in. Now, I had to take it to the box like a sucker, but it is what it is. All right, so let's go through the buttons real quick. This is going to be your share me button, just in case you got 2 of the same sets of headphones. Hit that button, you can share your music. On this side, you got volume up and down. This is also going to double as skip and reverse tracks. Here's your power button. There's your status LED, and you got 4 LED indicators for battery level. On the bottom, here's your micro USB charging slot. There's your microphone, and there's your 3.5mm auxiliary in. Now, let's do the stretch test on these. Very flexible. These do fold up. And speaking of folding up, take a look at this pouch. Beautiful looking pouch, red velvet interior. These headphones are Xerxes approved already. All right, so let's unfold these. Now take a look at the ear cups. They don't swivel. They actually move a little bit, but no full swivel. But you got a nice amount of stretch. So these are gonna fit any size dome you got. Ghostek branded on the top. Soft protein leather on the headband. The ear cups. Now the best part about these headphones are the ear cups. You see how they're solid like that? So this way, Zerks, I'm about to file you to the side. You see how the ear cups are completely covered like that? So these fit nice and flush on your head and they feel super comfortable. All right, so let's power these on, see if we got any juice. Now these do have voice prompts. I just heard it prompt up. So let me grab a phone, we'll pair these up and we'll do a little sound test. All right, so I got these paired up. Now let's test them out. Now, as far as the pairing process, real simple. Once you power these on, just keep holding down the button, and that's going to put them in pairing mode. Now, on the side note, you got voice prompts on these with an English accent, and it sounds pretty sexy. All right, so here we go. What we got on deck today? All right, we got The Weeknd, So Acquainted. Here we go. All right, now y'all can hear these are definitely on. I'm gonna put them on, nice and comfortable. Let's take it over to max volume. All right, max volume. Let me grab my microphone. Here we go. Ladies, sing along. Baby, you're no good, 'cause they warn me about your type, girl. I've been ducking left and right. Baby, you're no good. I think I fell for you, I fell for you, I fell for you. You got me putting time in. Nobody got me feeling this way. You probably think I'm lying. I'm used to bitches coming right way. You got me touching on your body. Woo! Yo, these sound great. You got me touching on your body. Hold up, I gotta stand up. To say that we're in love is dangerous. But girl, I'm so glad we're acquainted. Bass drop. I got you touching on your body. Let's go, Zerks. I get you touching on your body. I know I'd rather be complacent, but girl, I'm so glad we're acquainted. We're acquainted. Baby, you're no good. Woo! All right, let me calm down. All right, whew. All right. Let's pause these real quick. All right, whew. Okay. Multifunctional buttons, they do work. I know. Ladies, I'm available for all parties. On a scale of 1 to 10, all right, 40mm graphene drivers. Like I said, this is the new technology. This is where it's at. $125 for these. On a scale of 1 to 10, these are a major go. Now, these are Bluetooth headphones. They sound crystal clear. The bass is very punchy on these. Nothing to complain about. I was in the zone just now. One thing I would say, the best part about these headphones is the fit. Now, I'm a big fan of this one piece of leather covering up the whole ear cup. They just sit right on your ear, and after a few minutes, you forget that you're wearing these big headphones. They're not really that big, not too heavy, plastic material, very leatherish, but definitely these sound great. Now, let's test out the Let's test out the phone call function, and then I'll plug these in and see how they sound wired. Can't plug them in. No headphone jack. I gotta grab another phone. All right, so let me get another phone, and then we'll test out the phone calls. All right, so now I got these paired up with my LG G6. So we're gonna listen to some music, then we'll turn the battery off, we'll plug in the cable, and see if there's any sound difference. All right, so now we got LOX, Breathe Easy. Here we go. All right, y'all hear the music. All right, so I got these on. Let's get max volume. I love how crisp the bass is on these. All right, here we go. Now, let me plug these in. Okay, so now I just plug them in. I'm gonna turn the power off on these. Now let's grab the other cable. Let's see how these sound with no battery, just the 3.5 cable. All right, back to the music. Okay, here we go. Let's get max volume. Okay, now, one thing I will say, these actually sound exactly the same, maybe even a little bit better with the wired connection. So therefore, if your battery dies, you ain't out of luck. You're still gonna be able to rock out. If you got an iPhone, just make sure you got your adapter. But once you plug these in, they sound great. Okay, so now what I'll do is, let's test out the phone calls. Let's call up the diner real quick. All right, so here we go. Let's call the 24-hour diner, see what time they close. All right, let's increase the volume. Yeah, hi. What time you guys close tonight? Oh, 24 hours? Okay, great. Thanks a lot. All right, bye-bye. Okay. Sound on these, crystal clear. All right, so they wasn't lying about that. Crystal clear phone calls. I heard the person nice and loud. He heard me out of both ears. No complaints. Overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, all right, on a scale of 1 to 10, these are a major go. I would give it high marks for comfort. All right, these are definitely some of the most comfortable headphones you're gonna feel. Sound quality, nice and loud, balanced, not the most bass heavy. All right, so if you're looking for that extra bass heavy, these ain't them. This is a nice balanced sound. You hear all your instruments. Perfect for R&B music, classical music, opera music. Yes, I'll be taking it to the opera here and there. All right, so let's fold these up and see how they fit in the little pouch. Red velvet on the inside. Close them up, and you're good to go. Nice Ghostek branding on the front. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.